Day 3 on the swap.
You just have to get it up a couple inches.
Yeah.
This thing should be running today. Conway put in that work. Good job, my guy. Literally did a shit ton.
Got enough coolers?
Yeah. Bro, you cool it out, bro?
Dude, I'm pretty sure my radiator's not getting any flow at this point. So
it's actually insane. Holy shit.
Intercooler, oil cooler, supercharger oil cooler. Didn't paint the bracket yet, just wanted to mock it up, paint it later. Wanted to get it running.
Yeah, everything's almost in.
Not the cleanest install, but this is what happens when you make a kit fit something that it shouldn't fit.
Exactly. Everything's tightened down.
I'm sure if this was a stock 330, it would look much cleaner and it would have been much easier.
It's coming along. It should start today. Nick, what are we doing? The injectors?
Pulling the injectors.
And he's extending the math.
I am.
Flashing the ECU, and then it's game on. This thing should be running. This guy is soldering god. Been soldering my stereos for years.
Soldering everything.
Oh!
Definitely got some gas going out.
Definitely some.
How much? Is there cardboard under the thing?
Yes, there is.
Yeah. Put it down a little bit.
Make sure it's all the way under it.
Those good old injectors.
Time to pull the injectors.
Where are the new ones? South Bay fuel injectors.
Yeah. Dude, hopefully they're not these ones. Imagine you gave me the wrong injectors.
Could take a look at this real quick.
Yeah. South Bay is legit. They're awesome.
Shipped, like didn't even go down there.
They look minty.
They're mint, they're brand new.
Hold up.
They're freshly rebuilt.
Yeah, South Bay's sick.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how fast they turned it around.
Look at that. Look at that port. For all that fuel. Oh. Compared to the stocky,
Spot where you want me to put them? Just throw them back in the box.
it's nuts.
We're so close to being done.
Oh!
Yeah. It's gonna be sick.
Injectors are 80% of the way in, and then
With a
what's
mishmash
left?
of bolts.
Yeah, a little bit of random bolts, some custom fitting, but it works.
You can see it. Oh. Trying to button some stuff up.
Yeah, buttoning some last minute things.
Tune.
And then
Tuner James.
Conway,
Gotta throw
Tuner
that on.
James, is gonna tune this bad boy up.
TJ for short.
Hopefully.
He's got a vision for precision, right, buddy?
A vision for precision. As I
Right.
just dropped that thing into there.
We're gonna test run it with some water first.
I hope it's not
Hopefully
leaking.
not forget over the
Leaking? I feel like it's leaking.
How much did you spill?
I didn't spill that much. That's for damn sure. It's pissing out.
As they said yesterday, they're confident.
I'm confident.
I don't know.
I'm definitely confident.
I don't know much about
I only
this
run it
course.
for like a second. Alright, I guess like see if anything fucking blows up. Nothing. Wait, nothing's in the way, right? Of like the belt.
No, well, we should move a lot
Hold
of
on,
shit.
just make sure. Let's give it a once over.
I don't know. Move the oil. There's like little shit everywhere. Yeah, but like all this little stuff's gonna fly, bro. You gonna send it? Moment of truth. Yo, might need more oil in the charger.
I was thinking it's not feeding into the blower, just spinning that oil.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because honestly, the motor sounded fine, but it felt like it was coming from this top right.
Sit right in the middle.
Is it the blower making that noise, or the belt, or
Is this
area?
Whoa, was this leaking before or no? What? There's like
It's not
some.
leaking. It's just throwing shit around.
I think it's coming from the blower. Bro, how's it feel, my guy?
Dude, it'd feel better if it didn't make that noise.
Congrats, it's running.
Is it just like a new
Finally.
pulley?
That was a journey.
Just
It's dry as fuck.
Oh yeah.
Well, hopefully the noise was the power steering.
Just not being there.
Look at that pour.
precision.
Oh yeah. Who's that?
Not happening anymore. They definitely have power to
I'll put a little bit more in it. Yo, give her a rep. Nick, stand back, bro. Sounds beastly, bro. You got the girdle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Told you. Fixed the problem. Thank God. No more problems.
That was kind of scary.
No more problems.
No more problems is I'm watching water drip.
Yeah.
That's all that too.
That's a simple fix. I've had that problem 5 times.
Jesus. All right, we're just gonna end this now. It's alive. It's running. Conway's hype.
Absolutely. I appreciate the call, bro. It's true.
Next video, I guess, will be this thing fully running and buttoned up because there's a lot of shit to do this.
Yeah, man. I'll see you.
Later. Yo, Conway, congrats, bro.
Thanks, dude.
Man, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate the help. I really do.
I didn't do too much,
You did enough.
but I did something.
Of course.